Okay, so today's videos are going to be split into 3 sections really. First thing I want you to do is think this little task, and then I will give you a separate video showing you how to use this information. What we're going to do is we're going to start with number 10. This 10 is really important because that's kind of, we go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and then we kind of start counting again. We go 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, that's 2 lots of 10, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, that's 3 lots of 10. So we're kind of counting our tens, and that's why if you do something like 10 times 2.9, all our digits move along one place and we get 29.0. Now, we are going to take that one step further here, because if we get really big numbers, it can be handy to display in a more compact way than writing loads of zeros out. And actually, this idea of multiplying by 10 is really important. What will help us along the way, though, is to think about what 10 squared, 10 cubed, 10 to the 4, 10 to the 5, keeping getting bigger, 10 to the 6 actually means. The first thing I would like you to do is I would like you to calculate each of these. I'm going to leave a pause in the video. I want you to calculate each of these and see what you get. Okay, so hopefully now you have had a chance to calculate each of these in your calculator, or you might have even known how to do it without a calculator. So 10 times 10 is 100, 10 times 10 is 10 is 1,000, 10 times 10 times 10 times 10 is 10,000. Next one up is 100,000. By this point you might be spotting a pattern, and 10 to the 6 is 1,000,000. Now this is because if we do something like, we'll do it over here, 0.6 times 10 to the, I'll do 4 to start with. That's 5.6 times 10,000. That means we're moving that number along once, twice, 3 times, 4 times, or 4 lots of 10 that we're moving along by. So we're moving 4 places to the left, so we get 5, 6, 0, 0, 0. That number there is the same as that calculation there. So 5.6 times 10 to the 4 is the same as that number there. But this number is much more compact to write. It's much easier to write that number there. Now, we are going to play with that a little bit, and that is going to be in our next little video, which is going to show you how to use this. Just before we go, a little bit of language. This idea is called citation, notation, or you might see standard form. Both names get used. I will try and be consistent and use scientific notation, but if I accidentally say standard form, it means the exact same thing. So these two phrases mean taking a number like this and putting it into this times 10 to the power of something form. We're going to talk a little bit more about this in the next video. So that's just a bit of an introduction and examples, and in a moment of exactly how we use this.